You then take the bus and you take the train.
Call it an interactive studio. The Morris Park community was invited by the city to the Einstein College of Medicine at Lubin Hall to share their ideas and thoughts through guided activities found around the room on the new Metro North train stop to come to their neighborhood, just one of 4 slated for construction in the East Bronx.
This is a transformative investment, not only for the residents of the Bronx and around the station area, but for the entire city. And it really will reduce commute times, take additional cars off the road, and provide opportunities and connections to job centers for Bronx and New York City residents.
For Michael Kaess, who commutes to Connecticut from Morris Park and who uses the Select 12 bus to get to the MTA's Fordham stop, he's looking forward to one right near his front door.
I think I could cut maybe 30 minutes off my commute. That would be great. More time to spend with my family.
What do you think about this whole proposal?
I think it's a great idea.
Also participating, Claudia Gomez from Allerton, who uses the Metro North's New York Botanical Garden stop. She says this one is more convenient, but shared her reservations with city planners.
He asked, what would you want to see in this area? And I said, well, for one, you would need more lighting.
Also weighing in, the business community, Joseph Kelleher, chairman of the Bronx Chamber of Commerce and manager of the Hutchinson Metro Center that houses a portion of the estimated 15,000 to 20,000 jobs in the area, says the new stop will generate further growth.
As these train stations become a reality, the economic development around those areas, the expansion of potential residential, attracting new businesses and improving infrastructure, this is a game changer for this borough.
There's been considerable job growth in the past few years, and we're thinking that the Metro North Station is an important way in which to connect people who don't think about this place as a job center, well, to support where we have today and to think about the future. And transit's an important way in which we're going to be able to connect these job centers to talent.
I've seen the renderings. I think it's going to be a real asset.
He is concerned, however, with the traffic. Albert D'Angelo, chairman of Community Board 11, gave high marks for the new stop, but says the city's proposed road diet plan could create traffic challenges around the new station.
Morris Park is a main thoroughfare. If you slow that down to a crawl, you're going to first hurt businesses, hurt traffic. Why don't they wait till the train station goes in and see how it would affect it before they rush to judgment on what the community needs?
These post-it notes, evidence of a community engaged. The city plans to collect all these items and put them to use as they work to finalize plans for the future Morris Park Metro North stop. For BronxNet, this is Arlene Makoko.